Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Xiaomi 14 Pro and this is the Huawei Mate 60 Pro. Today, this video, let's compare the camera between them. One thing they both have is they support a variable aperture. But for Xiaomi 14 Pro, it supports, as the advertised, 1024 level, variable aperture. Wow, that many. But for Huawei, it only supports 4. And then we go to here and change it to physical aperture, f1.4, which is the biggest, and then f2, 2.8, f4. All right, now we are testing 4K 30 FPS, and for Xiaomi 14 Pro, it's in that auto variable aperture mode. That means if I enter into a darker environment, it will just change the aperture according to the environment. I'm not sure if you can see this clearly, so I might just go outside so you can just see the difference. I don't know if the really as good as the advertised. So it's in the morning, it's at night. So I just go outside just to check. Just a second. This is the library. I have to keep my books down. It's at night. So. Okay, so this is night. Do you notice any difference? Judge from the screen. Okay, now at night, I want to test the stability a little bit. So, which one is which? Okay. From my previous testing, we all know that Xiaomi has a really bad mic. While for Huawei, it has a really good mic. So I want to see the difference. Okay, let's just go inside. I'm running a little bit. Let's see who has the best night videos and photos. Alright, now we are testing the variable aperture. So for Xiaomi, I turn on the biggest aperture is f1.42. Okay, well for Huawei is f1.4. I noticed that for Huawei it only supports 1080p 24 fps, but for Xiaomi it supports up to 1080 60 fps. And this should be, as the both advertisers should give you the best video quality, and especially when you go from bright place to dark place, they should give you this kind of auto. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let me do one more time. Okay. So should help you go from bright, from outdoor to indoor. Okay, now from indoor to outdoors. You should be able to see the light changes. Oh, maybe cannot, right? Because it's f1.42. So you just see the image quality, alright? Because it's not in that automatic mode. Alright. Stabilization test. Okay. Alright, Steady Video Pro on Xiaomi, and the Steady Video on Huawei. So this is like the Aperture Steady on both phones. So let's give it a go. Both only supports 1080p. So this is the strongest stabilization. Okay. Just check the video, seems Huawei is way better, right? Because it doesn't have the breathing effect. But for Xiaomi, it seems like it has. So, out of curiosity, I tested both under the default stabilization. Both supports 4K. And let's check. And this is 4K 60. Let's see. Alright, this is the ultra wide 4K 60 FPS. Let's do the zoom test. So on Huawei, it's like supports 1 time, 4 times, 10 times. So it's up to 10 times. Well, for Xiaomi, it's like 0.1, 1.2. So for the ultra wide, Xiaomi only supports like 2. So that's a big difference. Okay, let's switch to the main camera. Alright, this is the main camera. For Huawei, this still supports like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So it supports 10 up to 10 for Huawei. For Xiaomi, 1.2.4, 3.8, 4.7, 5, 6. Okay. Wow, no. Xiaomi only supports 6 times zoom, but I can see the text on Huawei is way better. Holy smoke, Huawei, and this is for Huawei is 10 times. Okay, so see, wow, Huawei still like nails it on the zoom. On Xiaomi just cannot see clear the text. Grainy, but on Huawei is so good. Okay, let me turn it around a little bit. Huawei is way better with the text. Huawei is just way better. Wow. Alright, both 4K 60 for the front camera. So now let's check. On the left is Xiaomi, right is Huawei. And let's check out. Currently right now it is really noisy here because the construction site, the machine is alright. So let me know if, judging from the screen, seems Huawei a little bit better for the sky, but the sky, let me check. It seems Huawei is better, have the better control on the exposure. Xiaomi is like totally blown out, right? But I do can see some clouds here. So for this one, Huawei is better. You hear the noise? So the overall, I think Huawei is better, but I don't. Seems like the color on Huawei is a little bit how to say that? Reddish, yeah. On Xiaomi is like more true to life, I guess. Anyway, I will just run to see the stabilization. We all know that Xiaomi has a really bad microphone, but Huawei is really good. So let's see. Let me know which one performs better. It's wind and noise. Okay. Yeah, I guess for the front camera, Huawei is better. For the overall white balance of the mic. Okay. So the front Front camera 4K 30 fps. Okay. Judging from the screen, it seems like Xiaomi has a better noise. On Mate 60 Pro, it's like all graining too much noise, really too much noise. But Xiaomi seems like they have a good control on that. But I'm not sure if that's the case when I view this on computer. So, but yeah, for this, seems like Xiaomi is better. Okay, let's take more photos.